This is our last agenda for no, you said but after this. We've been going around. Look, it's Bingo. It's Bingo. Si Bingo. Alala mo yung shoot na to? Ano? Pa-shout out daw. Shout out sa mga idol.
Grabe, no?
Present kami hanggang kaninang umaga. Maraming salamat, guys.
Pero guys, I just want to ask you something. Can you believe na parang kailan na we're doing promos because we're starting the show and now this actually closes our promo. Grabe na, parang kailan na.
Mamaya na yung finale episode. Priceless.
Sepangs daw.
Sepangs ka talaga.
Ang bilis.
We just want to thank you guys so much for being a part of the Can't Buy Me Love
Yung iba daw hindi nakikita yung live.
Okay lang, yung mga nandito lang kasi tayo lang nakakaalam. Okay, sa lahat na nandito, maraming salamat dahil naging parte kayo ng experience ng Can't Buy Me Love. Walang show kung wala kayo at buong puso po namin. Can you complete the sentence? Buong puso po namin.
Buong puso po namin.
Wala lang, kahit ano.
Buong puso po. Parang walang namin.
Buong puso
Or buong puso po kaming
kaming
nagpapasalamat. Bingo!
Buong puso po namin nagpapasalamat. Sorry, medyo 2 oras lang tulog ko ngayon.
Ako din eh. Same twins.
Gusto ko manood sa inyo since morning kesa nag-review. Okay lang yan.
Oh, wait lang. Ito. Let's read.
Tignan mo yun ang comment to. Si Bettina pumatay, si Bettina pumatay, si Bettina. Ang haba niya, ang dami na sinasabi.
Yun nga, I wanted to read that eh. Thanks for keeping us sane. Cute.
Thanks for keeping us sane.
Ito, let's read. Sorry. Let's just... Yung finale po ba sinasabi nyo, nilabas nyo sa Netflix? Huh?
Yes po.
Yes.
Kasi hindi pa po pinapalabas yun sa Free TV. Kaya tonight po yan. Yung iba kasi hindi pa napapanood eh. Rest well after today. O rest well daw. Okay nga, think ah.
Let's rest. Ay! Ano ba to? How do you do this? Nag-spoil na daw sila. Hindi kami?
Ha?
Hindi po.
Hindi kami nag-spoil ah. Wala nga kaming sinasabi dito eh.
Miss ko na si Bingo at Caroline. Wala na ako pinapanood doon.
Start mo ulit sa episode 1.
Ulitin niyo naman. You know, I think
Ulitin.
there's nothing wrong with going back to the episode 1. So,
I can't. Look oh. Paano yun?
I think gift yun. Gift ba yun?
Ano tawag din yung kanya?
Wow! May gifts din pala dito!
Okay. Mag-rewatch na daw. From
Hello,
episode
Angie and
1.
Caroline, they say.
Good luck lang po tomorrow for my
I'm
exam. Good luck to you.
Drink
Your
daw.
water. We just drank
No,
water.
you're the same thing.
Magre-rewatch talaga ako, mami. Okay, good.
Ito.
Pero kaya kami nag-live ngayon, guys. Kasi syempre, ito yung last na ganap namin for today, for Don Bell Day. We just really would like to thank you all for being so active with all the 148 episodes that released. Alam namin na 9 months na to, na naging parte ng buhay nating lahat. At, bakit? Sino yung tulala? Ikaw? Alam namin na 9 months na to na naging parte ng buhay natin lahat. At medyo syempre mamimiss natin kasi, di ba, naging habit na natin na naghihintay ng episode 4 or 5 times a week. But the journey was so fun because we got to experience it with you guys. And thank you for making it so worth it for me and Belle to do our first primetime teleserye together. we actually finished it. We
Yeah.
finished our first
Alam niyo,
teleserye.
gusto kong
Nagawa natin together with everyone.
At alam mo, napagod na ang lahat kay Caroline. Napagod na ang si Caroline at si Bingo sa isa't isa. At some point, pero kayo hindi kayo napagod kay Caroline at Bingo at sa story ng Can't Buy Me Love. So thank you. Thank you for supporting Can't Buy Me Love. And thank you for also being detectives as we go through the story, diba? Syempre, your theories were very helpful for us too. Syempre, kasi kami din parang suspense din sa amin kung sino yung pumatay, kung sino yung ganyan. So, thank you for joining us in this ride. And, yeah, thank you.
And you went through what the characters went through with us as well. Kasi syempre, grabe yung character development namin dalawa, si Caroline at si Bingo. Wait lang, baka mag-catching ako ha, sandali lang. Ikaw muna mag-entertain.
Mabahig po siya.
Meron ba?
Ito, magbasa muna ako while waiting for Nado. Okay. Ito.
Okay, kaya pa.
Nakahinga ka na.
Nakahinga.
Ay,
My
sorry.
4-year-old daughter loves you. Yay!
She watches every night daw.
So cute. Thank you so much.
Ito. Let's read.
Swerte talaga si Belle sa Perfy. Tama! Grabe. Wala kaming mali.
Grabe, no? Galing nga nun.
Galing nga eh. 6 times pa lang daw nangyayari yun eh.
Paano yun? Paano nangyari yun?
Swertehan lang talaga siya.
May mga tanong ba kayo tungkol sa show or whatever, or experience? Para maybe we could read it here and answer you guys. Minsan lang natin ginagawa to.
Kayo ba? Some of you watched the finale, pero some of you haven't seen the finale. To those of you who've seen the finale, what... Diba, syempre, alam mo kung ma-spoil ko for the others kasi. Paano naman? Syempre, diba, where do you want Caroline and Bingo's story to go? Syempre, it's open-ended, diba?
Yeah.
So, I want to ask that question to all of you viewers here. Sa ating 893 viewers now. Dun, 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 dun. Explain Black Feathers, please.
So after the episode today,
Explain Black Feathers. Oh guys, explain nyo daw yung Black Feathers.
Ate Nat, go.
Ate Nats.
Ate
Dito
Nat.
yung mga creative ano namin eh.
Sama.
Siyempre, yun na yun. Explain mo daw yung Black Feathers na yan. Hindi ko alam paano i-explain eh. Basta yun, hindi siya naubusan ng feathers. Yun lang ang alam ko.
I think, okay, Black Feathers kasi has so many significance sa story ng Can't Buy Me Love. One is like, it can be sign of something's gonna happen. Di ba minsan ganon? Like,
Diba nag-start yung episode since si Dingling nakita niya yung mga kanya
may uwak.
Please welcome.
Oh, yun nga.
Please
Yun nga.
welcome, Ate Nat! Palakpakan mo dyan.
So nakita ni Ibe yun? Or hindi?
Hindi, pero kasi kumbaga, it signifies, diba, yung death, danger,
So yun yung significance niya. And I think, it's like, syempre yun din nag-lead kay Bingo and Caroline to channel their inner detectives.
Or no, that's not safe.
Mamaya na nga tayo mag-usap. Ano? Sinabi ko. Okay.
Watching from Cebu, thank you so much. Bitin po. Anong gagawin namin eh? Ganun na eh. Nag-ending na tayo. Pinali na. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok. Pero bitin nga talaga natin.
Totoo.
Which is good. That means, kayo nang gumawa ng kwento ni Bingo tsaka ni Ling. Diba? Dapat magsulat kayo ng alternative ending. Or like, what you think the ending should be like. We wanna see, actually. Sa tingin nyo guys, ano mangyayari kay Bingo tsaka Ling? Ay hindi, huwag nyo muna pala sabihin, may mga pala hindi nakakapanood pa. May spin-off po ba?
Ay, cute to. May ano ka.
Yung ano?
May something.
May something na lalabas. Oh, pwede ko na sabihin yon? Tinats? Basta may something na lalabas na something kuan. Yung kuan ng kuan.
After episode...
Pwede. After ng episode mamaya,
mamaya
abangan nyo po sa... Sure mamaya yan ha.
Surprise lang muna.
Abangan niyo po sa dulo, may surprise po kami para sa inyo.
Watching from UAE daw. Hello po.
Na magugulat kayo. We daw. Meron nga.
Yes,
Ito naman, hindi na daw.
Okay. Oh, at home ako.
Donnie, what did you feel when you saw Belle wearing the wedding gown? Siyempre, sobrang ganda niya.
Wow!
O bakit sinabi ko naman sa'yo yun
Talaga.
Oo.
Okay.
Actually, yung pinakauna, yung hindi ako pwedeng pumasok. Naalala mo yun, yung eksena? Dahil magkaaway yung bingo link. You tested the wedding gown for Stephen. And then the other one was when, yun na, nagdadrive.
Mm-hmm.
Was that the same wedding gown?
No.
Different. So I saw you wear 3 wedding gowns. One there's kay Stephen, isa sa tanan, tas isa sa wedding. Yeah. And she looked great in all of them.
Wow!
Totoo naman eh. Iba-iba rin yung ano mo, parang style mo sa buhok and just the way you were prepped, diba?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Final invite na.
Ay, pinapa na kami ni Ate Kea. O siya,
Napaalis
pagalitan niya,
na po kami.
pagalitan niya si Ate Kea. Sabi niya, the whole day na daw kasi nagtatrabaho. Gusto niya nang kumain tsaka matulog.
Final thank you.
Ayan, okay, so...
Gagaling niyo pong dalawa,
Grabe,
ayaw ko
natin
iwanan si
to.
Bingo tsaka si Ling. You know, I just would like to say, Can't Buy Me Love will be in our hearts as long as we both shall live.
Uy, last promo na natin to. Hindi ko pa carry. Pero yan.
Okay lang yan.
Yan. Pero,
Ganyan talaga.
yun nga, parang kailan lang. Pero alam nyo, Caroline would be someone a character I would carry on even after
Yeah.
Can't Buy Me Love.
We will get bits and pieces of Caroline and Bingo.
And there's a Caroline and a Bingo in each and every one of us, and I'll take this opportunity to thank you guys. Thank you for supporting Can't Buy Me Love. Ito na po yun. This is it. Like what I said in my post, case closed. Thank you for giving justice sa nanay ni Caroline and kay Caroline at sa story ng lahat. So, Can't Buy Me Love wouldn't be Can't Buy Me Love without you. And thank you, and we love you.
We love you guys very, very, very much. Salamat dahil naging habit na natin to, di ba? Every week, every day, 5 times a week, manonood tayo ng Can't Buy Me Love together. And we were so excited. We still are. We were very excited whenever, there would be an episode that would come out and we would see our reactions because we would also watch it for the first time, same time as you guys. Makikita namin lahat ng theories nyo, lahat ng reactions nyo, lahat ng comments nyo. Just all the stuff that you would think about revolving the show, that you would want to share. And the way you guys would... Huwag mo nang gawin yan. The way you guys would share the videos, the clips, yung mga eksena namin, ini-enjoy nyo yung mga location namin sa Binondo, sa Chu Mansion, La Sinfonia, Batanes. Thank you kasi sa inyo po kami kumukuha ng inspirasyon at motivation. Lahat kami. Maraming salamat. Dahil sinabayan nyo kami sa journey na to. At tinatanggal po ni Belinda yung laces sa shoes ko. Tara na, okay na. We love you guys so much. We hope you enjoy the priceless finale later. And again, wait until the end because we have
A
a
surprise!
surprise for you. Love you guys! Smile! Matutulog muna kami. Tulog muna tayong lahat ha. Okay. Love you guys! Ingat! Have the best night. Night? Oh, night.
Yeah.
Good night. Kain muna kayo ng dinner. Pero panoorin niyo muna yung